Alright. These butt connectors that join these wires. Yep, butt. Number 8 gauge.
I'm just scared that I might get hit in the leg by it.
Come back over on this side of this in here.
In there?
Yeah.
Okay.
The hydraulic pump on a boat for steering. Already put the shrink wrap on.
Yes. We see a whole lot of arm here.
Of course, this is brown as ground on this one.
It just looks like you're holding black, like orange. Oh my god.
Pull test.
Yeah.
Slide shrink wrap over. Well, it ain't gonna cooperate. Get in the center. And you burn it. You get the legits. I'll finish that. That's how you shrink wrap a wire.
Yes.
You use a butt connector. Oh, my little baby. You learning something?
But why do they call it a butt wrapper?
A butt connector.
Oh.
Hook 2 wires together.
Yeah.
Say bye.
I like SSI.